all, I'm Kuliti. Today we are here with some cute little bookmark ideas for all the bookworms present out there. Assistants!
The first bookmark for the day is this cute little origami butterfly. Let's see how to make this. The materials required for this is just a sheet of paper and a black sketch pen. So let's start it. Now fold the paper into four like this and unfold it and fold these two corners. Now open it and fold it inward like this. Repeat the same the other side. Now after repeating this step, open it up like this. Have it like this. Now fold this piece this way. Repeat the same the other side as well. Now the butterfly is ready. Now you can use the black sketch to decorate. So after you're done decorating, it would look something like this. Now you have this gap here and the page will have to be inserted here like this. So here your cute little origami butterfly bookmark is ready. So we are here with the next bookmark. For this, take a cardboard or a thicker sheet and draw the outline of a glass. This would be a perfect bookmark for nerds. So now cut the outline of the glass. For the inner portion, you can use a cutter and slit a little bit and then use the scissor to cut. Now when you cut the inner part, you'll get this specks. So now here, measure this length and cut a small piece similar to this length. Measure this length roughly and cut a rectangular piece. A rough approximate measurement is enough. Cut a piece of almost this much thickness. Now round the edges of these pieces. Round this also perfectly. Now use two-sided tape or you can use Fevicol as well and glue the ends alone. I take a very small piece and I cut it into half and I stick at the ends of both these. Only here, don't glue it to the middle, only to the ends. Now remove this. And stick these to the glass. You can cut the excess and round it perfectly. Align it to the glass. Now your cute nerdy bookmarks are ready. I will tell you how to place this. You will have to open this part and here. Your bookmark is perfect. So the last bookmark is a creative one. You can use any color, any shade. It's all your own creativity. Take a small sheet of paper. It's a cardboard. You can use a cardboard, or you can use invitation sheets or handmade paper or anything. So now draw an outline of a small mandala design. I have drawn a floral design. You can draw anything you like. So draw a small outline. So as you can see, I've drawn a small design. Now I'm going to paint and use sketch pens as well to fill in the colors. Now I'm going to add highlights using a black gel pen. I'm going to do a little bit of doodling. I'm using a nail art pen for decoration. You can use a 3D outliner or a whitener also, or you can use paint itself. After you're done, let this dry. On the other hand, take embroidery thread or silk thread of your choice, and now we are going to make a small tassel that will be hung from here. You can choose the same color, as it would go well and it would look more better. If you want, you can choose multicolor thread as well. That's up to you. Now I'll teach you how to make a small tassel. Take embroidery thread and start rotating it around your fingers. So when you're done rotating, pull it out and knot this corner. Use a small piece of the same color and knot this corner. So once you're done knotting, cut these looped ends. After you're done, you have to trim the edges. Trim it neatly. You can give the tassel a comb with a normal hairbrush to make it more fluffy. Now you can use a comb to comb the tassel. After doing, you can trim it once again. This would make the tassel fluffy, and each strand of the thread would come separately. Now again, trim the ends. Now your tassel is ready. Use a small ring like this and insert it inside the corner. So I have inserted the ring and tightened the ring around. Now here, choose one end and pierce a hole. So now after you're done piercing, you can take a small piece of thread and insert it inside this ring. After inserting it into the ring, knot it here. Insert this into this hole. So after tying, you can tape this part to the end so that the knot does not come out. So here, your cute and I would call it trendy little bookmark is ready. Do try it at home and comment which was your favorite. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do comment about it and like, share and subscribe to Kuliki626. See you in the next video. Bye.